DJI Avata is the most fun and exciting drone from the company, which is mainly for racing and aerial cinematography. It has a better camera and an enhanced ability to ensure an immersive flying experience. But recently iFlight came up with something new that exactly looks like the DJI Avata, with DJI 03 Air unit on board, and they named it Defender 25. This is actually a successor of the Protect series, even though the Defender 25 looks like the DJI Avata. Can it beat Avatar's performance? Let's find out by comparing them. Avatar and the iFlight Defender 25 both look almost similar, and there are no folding arms equipping them properly with the protective ranks. Both drones have been made to handle a few distractions without unexpected disassembly. Both drones even boast optimized landing gear for takeoff in complex environments. Also, both iFlight Defender 25 and DJI Avata are lightweight, but the 249 grams Defender 25 is much lighter than the 410 grams DJI Avata. So, Defender 25 does not require registration in most countries. Besides, the quick-release battery design on both drones makes everything as easy as it can be. You can even replace the battery when it's on low power, allowing you to get more flight time. Here we shouldn't give credit to the iFlight for keeping the weight under 250 grams, even while maintaining the same design as the DJI Avata. Equipped with the latest tech from DJI, the 03 Air unit and the Defender 25 can ensure an HD transmission system. The Defender 25 can record 4K videos at 60 FPS with up to 155 degrees super wide FOV, letting you get telling visuals from every possible angle. On the other hand, the DJI Avata is equipped with a 1x1.7 inches CMOS sensor, which is capable of capturing 4K videos at 60 FPS. The Avata also has 48 megapixels, which deliver detail and colorful images. Again, if you need to reach 120 FPS, all you have to do is drop the shooting quality down to 2.7K or 1080p. In addition, both drones feature decent elect color mode to deliver more creative freedom for color grading and editing. Furthermore, for smooth footage, the Defender 25 adds a special vibration dumped camera mount. It also ensures great gyro data for built-in camera stabilization, whereas the DJI Avata comes with rock steady and horizon steady to create stable footage. Plus, both drones featured turtle modes, so if your drones get crashed, with just a few simple tabs they will spring back into action. Good thing is you can mount action cameras like the naked GoPro and install 360 on the Defender 25. Overall, we can say both drones have the same camera quality and stability. As for the safety features, the DJI Avata has downward binocular vision and TOF infrared sensor. With these sensors, the Avata can detect obstacles below and allows you to perform low altitude or indoor flights. In terms of transmission, both drones ensure up to 10km transmission range with 1080p live feed. Moreover, the Defender 25 and DJI Avata are compatible with multiple remote control devices that each unlock different possibilities. They're even compatible with both DJI Goggle 2 and DJI FPV Goggles V2 to let you experience an immersive flight experience. Let's talk about the battery life. So, the DJI Avata has up to 18 minutes of flight time to capture stunning photos and videos, whereas the Defender 25 comes with a 500 mAh battery that delivers only up to 6 minutes of flight time. Compared to the DJI Avata, the Defender 25 has obviously a much lower battery life. As for the price, the Defender 125 is available at $540, whereas the DJI Avata will cost you $629. Here, due to the lack of enough battery life and an obstacle of water sensor, we think the Defender 25 should have come up with a much lower price tag. In short, the iFlight Defender 25 and DJI Avata look almost similar. They even sport almost similar features, but the Defender 25 lacks some important features like optical avoidance sensors and improved battery life. The advantage Defender 25 guard is it weighs below 250 grams. Another thing is, no matter what you say, DJI got its own reliability, so you have to choose wisely even if they post similar features. Well, that's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find this to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.